So on this one here, we had a hard start kit that blew up. First, we need to cover what a hard start kit is. Most AC units have permanent split capacitor motors with low torque when starting. As these compressors age, they often start having problems when turning on. High voltage requirements for starting also mean lots of heat dissipated through your compressor, which causes damage over time. Hard start kits installed in your compressor reduce the amount of electricity required for startup by adding more torque using a capacitor. Once the unit is up and running, the hard start kit also has a relay that removes the capacitor from the starting circuit, allowing your unit to run normally. So a hard start kit accomplishes two goals. It stores energy and diverts any excess energy, preventing damage. See, it can take at least 4 times more electric current to start a compressor than to run it. And over time, this extra push of power and the excess heat it causes can strain and damage your compressor and various other important AC components. A hard start capacitor shortens the compressor's time to kick in, thereby shortening the AC startup time and reducing the amount of electricity used in the process. But if it stays on a fraction of a second too long, it can cause explosion, like this one. So what we're gonna do is look at this. Just look, see how melted it is? Look at it, that's from extreme heat. So it had a lot of current going through it. So it melted and blew.
Looks like you had a power surge. Okay, and it just cut. It just went ahead and cut on off. You. Oh yeah, I'm gonna try to see if. I'm actually gonna try to see if I could start it without that right quick. Cause it's sending power back here right now when you cut it off. That right there. Check it out. All right, so it's all good. That's right, that's right. That way, if this does it again, I know what to bring. I got the information off of it in there. And so you strip a capacitor, this right here. Nope. But you're already good, man. That quick. Yeah, that quick. Hey, you can tell, man, if you know anybody who believe AC work, you know what I'm saying? That way you can call and let me know. You know, you can call and let me know if you want. And I'll just pop back up. I'll call your landlord, you call her, get another one of these. I don't think you'll need another one of these, man. This is to make that stump. Mm-hmm. So you good. It just gives it more torque. It's like another, yeah, that's all it is. Correct. That ain't, that's not my move. You know? Or I would've came when I got the call.
So all I did was take the hard start kit out the loop on this one. You primarily need them in applications where you have a TXV on the air handler. That's why you need more torque, because the TXV is a little slower to balance out the Freon levels. That's something we can discuss more in depth in a future video. But yeah, I took it out the loop and ran perfect.